So we chose correlation research. It's presented by Stephen Lanham, Amberley, Neel, and Kelly Bullard. So what is quantitative correlation research? It is a non-experimental research measuring two or more variables and the statistical relationship between the variables. The purpose is to determine relationships between variables and make predictions using the relationships. There is little or no manipulation of the variables, and also is used to describe strength and relationship. The sample size, the preferred sample size is the minimum of 30, but larger is always wiser. And the preferred sampling method is random sampling.
Okay, for data collection, data is collected in an appropriate manner for the variable of interest. And how or where does not matter. And for validity, there's a low internal validity, but high external validity because nothing is being manipulated or controlled. It's likely to reflect real world relationships. So as you see on the balance, there's a trade-off between internal and external validity. The more you control the extraneous factors in your study, the less you can generalize your findings to a broader context.
And then when you have that data, in order to analyze it, you plug it into the correlation coefficient formula that you can see there. It looks pretty simple to me. It's like, but it ranges from -1 to +1, and those values give you the correlation and the direction of the information there. So strong correlation exceeds 0.7, or it is less than -0.7, and you can see that it's going up and to the right. Negative correlation would be down and to the right. A weak correlation, where it's not as a tight of a line, is between 0 and 0.3 and 0 and -0.3. And then one of the most important things is that you need to be aware that correlation does not equal causation. And this is called spurious correlation. So that is when a connection between two variables appears to be causal, but is actually not. So here's two examples of those. So first, we can see that as high school graduates increase throughout the years, so does the consumption of donuts. Not correlated, but looks like it. And then my personal favorite, the per capita consumption of butter decreases as the divorce rate in Maine decreases. So although divorce rates might depend on butter, I don't think so. So thank you guys for watching and this opportunity. We appreciate it.